Hi everyone, welcome to Codes and Hustles, the channel where we learn to code and learn to earn. If you're just getting started with Python and dreaming about turning your skills into income, you're in the right place. In this video, we are starting from scratch. First, we will download and install PyCharm, one of the best editors for writing Python code. Open your Google or search engines that you are using. Just type PyCharm and JetBrains, download windows.exe. Select whichever suits your system, and here you go. It started downloading. I do have the download, so I would just pause it. Control J for the download history. Come over here and check your downloads. Over here I have PyCharm, and hopefully I have downloaded and installed. So you just have to press next, and just tick mark all the check boxes, and again next, and install. That would be all for the installation of PyCharm. And once you are all set up, sometimes you might not have the interpreter. We would come here and just type Python and select the latest version or the version that you need for your project. Since it is the beginner class, we are going to download the latest version of Python. Python.org, and scroll down, and again, according to your operating system, Mac OS, Windows, anything. So Windows installer 64-bit or 32-bit or ARM 64. I have 64-bit. I would just come over here, download SIG and SIG store. You can download any of them or download both of them. That would be great for you. Okay, since I have the download, I don't have to download it again. And from here, click on the files, and we are going to set the Python interpreter first. Settings, and here you can see Python, under the Python project, Python interpreter, and from here add interpreter, add local interpreter. From here you can come, and if you are having the Python, then they will give you the options to download any version that you want. If you don't have it, you can just give it the location where you downloaded your file, and from here it can pick up the downloaded file. Okay, so I do have all the environment is ready and I can use it. So I will just click cancel and okay. Here, for writing your first Python code, just new and Python file, my first Python code. Okay, since it already existed, I do have my first Python code over here. We are going to print hello world. Print. Okay, print. Hello world. This is print hello world, and from the basics we are going to add something more. Print hello, and we would just add a plus sign over here and world. And keep in mind that you have selected the current file from here. Make sure to always have the current file selected and run. Here you will see hello world and hello world. Okay, so we would end this session over here. Quick reminder what we did today. We downloaded PyCharm, we installed PyCharm, we downloaded Python, we installed Python, And by installation, I mean we set the Python interpreter in PyCharm, and we wrote our first code, which was printing hello world in Python. If everything's up and running, great job. You're all set for the next step. This is just the beginning of your coding and freelancing journey. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.